Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today we're just going to do a quick repair video. So as you know, if you have a workshop of any kind, chances are you use these drop lights all the time. And occasionally, well not occasionally, they take a beating. I've had this one for a long time, 20 plus years. And it got bent over the years, caught on different things, and finally the other one got bent so bad I couldn't even lock it closed anymore. So I had to just dispose of it. So I picked up a new one here, actually at a yard sale, but I know they're available on at hardware stores and things like that. I'll see if there's one on Amazon. If there is, I'll put a link for it in the description. But basically, it's a pretty simple process. Once you get the old one off, you're going to go ahead and put the new one on. And it's just a matter of lining it up here and then tightening up the screw. I'm just working on a box right now because I haven't really finished cleaning my workshop. And you do have a ground strap right here, so when you tighten the screw up, make sure that's not lined up in the middle here. You want it pinched with the metal here, so this is grounded as well. So that's an important feature. If you don't see that, it's right here. So you just don't want it. You just don't want it lined up here. You want it where the metal is going to hit it. Alright, that screw is way longer than I needed for this, but you can see it's in there good and sturdy now. And one thing I did not say at the beginning, make sure you unplug this stuff before you work on it. And this is unplugged, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this thing open, put a new light bulb in it. And I buy rough service light bulbs. They hang on, they hold on a little bit better when you drop them. So look for rough service bulbs. And I'll actually put a link in the description for those too. We're just going to go ahead and put the new bulb in here. Close it up. We'll plug it in and test it out. And look at that. Good thing it was unplugged because the power was actually on it. So there you go. Pretty simple fix. All you need is a screwdriver and a new end, a light protecting piece. And now we have our drop light back up and running for hopefully many more years of use. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Hopefully you like this quick shop fix / repair. I will put a link in the description for the housing, maybe even a drop light, and of course rough service bulbs, so they'll help last for you. So have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.